Well, hey there, YouTube. Matt Emroy back again. This is going to be my first screen capture video. I downloaded a program the other night called Tiny Take by Mango Apps, and I want to go ahead and give you guys a sample of Windows 10. I decided to download and install the Windows 10 Technical Preview on my HP Compact 6005. This is the triple-core HP Compact that I use as my secondary system. And without further ado, let's go ahead and I'll show you some of the features that I personally like about Windows 10. First thing I want to show you guys is this area right here. This is the Search the Web and Windows. You know, this is where you can put in something. You could say you want to search for the calculator. And then you can go ahead and click on that and open that app up. But one thing I really do like about this is if you don't type anything, you just click in this area, it gives you the latest news for today. This one actually goes through Bing.com. So I have to give Microsoft kudos for that. I really like this feature because I know personally with me, there are times I'm working on the computer and I don't necessarily get to watch the news from the morning, and I might miss something interesting. So again, I really like this feature that Microsoft included. Next is the Start menu. If we click on that, you can see that it's kind of a hybrid between what we had with Windows 7 and Windows 8. You do have all apps. If you click on all apps, you will get all of your programs that are installed here. Now, they don't call it all programs anymore. They call it all apps because, let's face it, we're going more to a tablet-based society, and with tablets, things like the iOS and Android, it's all called apps now. Here you have your power options. You can restart, shut down, and sleep. And I really do like this better than Windows 8 because Windows 8, you had to go all the way over here, hope that your side menu would open up, and then you would have to shut it down that way. This, to me, is much more convenient. You have settings, which brings you to basically control panel. This is what the new control panel looks like. It's definitely been slimmed down, and I must say they did a pretty good job here. You have your system, which lets you adjust the display, notifications, apps, and the power options. You can install devices here. Network internet lets you set up a network or a virtual private network, depending on what your needs are. Personalization. Your accounts, because yes, this is still tailored to a Microsoft account. You can use a local account, which a lot of people do, but I do have a Microsoft account, so I tied my account to this installation. Time and language, and you guys can read the rest right there. We go back under here again. You can see you have your most used apps, which are right here. Kind of a nice touch. That way, you can see what you've been using, and they're easily accessible. Right here is recently added, and this is the program I'm using right now. Again, Tiny Takes by Mango Apps. As you can see to the right here, yes, we do still have some of the Metro UI left over. Just different tabs. You can customize them. You can move them around if you'd like. I'll just show you guys real quick what the computer is. It does have what they call this PC instead of computer, so you can right click on this and go to properties, which you really couldn't do in Windows 8. Again, this computer is the AMD Phenom X3 triple core running at 3 gigahertz and 8 gigabytes of RAM and the 64 gigabyte operating system. So this has been just a quick look at the new Windows 10 Insider Preview. I'll try and do a couple more of these as I have more things to say about it. The one issue I did run into with this is in Google Chrome. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.